Rupanuga, Rupa Goswami, and Guru Parampara coming, say Narottam Das Thakur coming, and Jagannath Das Babaji, Vishnu Chakravarti, all this way, Gaur Kishore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. This is ISKCON, you know. So we understand that these three deities is our main Upasya Dev, is called of the Gauriyas, the followers, those coming Brahma, Madhva, Gauriya, ISKCON. What are these? One is Radha, Madan, Mohan. Some of you have seen Radha, Madan, Mohan? Yes?
Yes.
Then Radha, Govinda Dev. And then Radha, Gopinath. And because of the atrocities of the people and the authority at that time in atrocities of the authority of Delhi, and so the Maharajas Hindus, I mean, say Jai Singh or Man Singh, who requested Rupa Goswami to do some service, then he said, please make a temple of Radha Govinda Dev. It was there in Vrindavan, and he heard they're coming, I don't want to say the name, you know that, to destroy, and the temple was destroyed in Vrindavan, 7 story, out of that 3 or 4 story demolished. He's envious. So he requested, before he come, the deity was taken and brought here. Other many main deities also like that. And there are Upasya Dev. First is, Maharaj is Hindu. So first is, say, Madha Madan Mohan. Its significance is, we have got in the Veda, understand 3 things are the goal. One is the relationship, knowledge of relationship. It's called Sambandha Dhyan. And it's called Ovidya, the how to render devotional service to the Lord. It's called Ovidya. That is Govinda Dev gives. And then is Gopinath, who gives the Bhagavad prem, love of Godhead. So these deities are an upasya, worshipable deity. So the devotees, the Gauriya, they always worship them, and Prabhupada especially our deity worship is followed as it is done to worship by worship Radha Govinda Dev here. So this is our very dear deity, and we are fortunate we have been able to come here and see. I am sure you will be, when you see the deity, all of you should be praying. If you think this Radha Govinda is standing there, himself, herself, Radha Madan Mohan or whatever, Radha Damodar, whatever you have seen, and you really feel like that, you should be praying. Are you praying?
Yes.
What you should pray?
Krishna Bhakti.
Devotional service. Pure devotion.
Pure devotional service. Pure devotional service. And if he is pleased with your service, he will get it. No, this is our business. With your own attempt, you cannot do all these things. And Prabhupada came here, you may know. Prabhupada came here in the early days, stayed in the palace, he became a guest of the queen of the Jaipur with all many of his devotees, mostly Western, and for some time here. And I remember long back, around early 70s, and one almost so many pages he's writing about. And some Prabhupada's secretary when they are living here. And also you have the opportunity, there's record there, some of the recordings, Prabhupada is talking with the queen. So details are there, I don't remember. I heard it. Many other, what I remember, and I'm saying. So Radha, Govinda Dev, each of them have got a story how they these deities are manifesting. Mostly they are self-manifest deity. In Vrindavan, if you go, there is a called Gomatila. There is a well there. Not many years back, there is a person who was nearly more than 100 years old, maybe, some say 120. I talked to him quite a few times. And there is a well there. And little boy used to come. One day, Rupa Goswami saw, he was always thinking how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked him to write books, find places of pastime, and also establish deity and temple. He has nothing. But Krishna has everything Krishna can give. They have got strong desire. Krishna knows and Krishna fulfills. This is spiritual world. This is also called Gupta Vrindavan. Here, Jaipur, people in general mostly are devotees of these deities. You find thousands coming all this time and going. And Krishna's pastime place is there in Vrindavan. Rajasthan is also a big part of it. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, some part maybe. Haryana. But Rajasthan quite a big part. Deeg, Badrinath, Kedarnath, a part of Jatipur and Puchri, end of Govardhan. So this way, the people of Rajasthan are great devotees in great number. They come in Vrindavan every year, going. So Govinda Dev manifested this way, roughly as I remember. The little boy asked, I want to drink water, then you bring the water. And Rupa Goswami will from the well and offered him water, and he drank. And whatever I remember like that, and maybe some or other, when the little boy came to know that he wants, they had to worship deity of Radha Krishna, or something like that. Then he told most probably by dream or what, I don't know, don't remember now, I have to see the book. Then he said, every day a cow goes there and pour milk. It's something significant. And so you may find something there. So, and when you look for him, this boy whom he offered drinks and water from that well is still there. You can drink. You go and drink up the hill, say Gomatila. So when this boy disappeared suddenly, then he later on keeping an eye on Goswami and found, yes, every day a cow comes and pours milk there. Milk drops. So he dug up and found the Govinda Dev, Radha Govinda. This is what I know. And this thing he informed other Goswami, Sanatana and others. And gradually to build the temple, which Man Singh at that time, Jaipur, in Akbar Shah also gave him land, so many things written there. And Rupa Goswami used to do bhajan also in other Damodar places there. If you go, the things have not changed, make many opulence. Anyway, Prabhupada used to give class in Nectar of Devotion there regularly, early days, when he came from America. Devotees, there are some big photos there and videos you can see, and Prabhupada's places, worship. And Rupa Goswami was requested by the then king, Man Singh. He said, I want to do some service to the Lord. Please tell me what can I do. Rupa Goswami is famous in whole of Braj and other Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. So, knowing this, even up to Akbar, so he said, Man Singh, when he asked Rupa Goswami, he said, I am a sadhu, I don't require anything. When you want to serve God, we want nice temple and people can come and see Radha Govinda for this deity. Then Man Singh arranged this building was there, which you can see first, second or third floor up to there. 4 other floor, top floor, it was demolished by those who have got different pay and authority in Delhi at that time. So it is still there, but the actual, that deity was brought back here before he devotees. And the others still, they have got replica deities are there, each of them, Goswami, the other Sam Sundar, Madan Mohan, Loknath Goswami's deity,
Radha Vinod.
huh?
Radha Vinod.
Radha Vinod, all is there. And Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Gopinath. Huh? So they are.
Gopan.
So you see Vrindavan, here you see most of the original ones are here. No, there is no difference actually. So we have this opportunity, this year we arranged this Parikrama, this place that which didn't have the chance to see all together with the devotees saying and hearing Harikatha from the devotees. This enriches our bhakti, take the best, make the best use of it and carry Vrindavan with you. Vrindavan means Krishna consciousness. Vrindavan means Krishna. Krishna Seva, Krishna's form, beauty, pastime, wherever there is discussion by the pure devotee, there is Vrindavan. In that sense, higher sense. Otherwise, in a gross sense, you go to Vrindavan and temple. And if you have that proper consciousness, you are in Vrindavan. And now I heard you like it very much to be here. If you have got any question, can ask. Otherwise, I take leave now. Sam Sundar and others will say something. Maybe longer time if you would like to stay. Here is very cooling and all very lush green trees all around and nice sweet breeze is blowing. Very mercy of Govinda Dev. They have come long distance, different places. I'm sure.
Everybody wants you please stay more time here.
Once I stay more.
Yes, we must.
To tell something.
Yes, finish with Kirtana.
I heard Prabhupada say, as the society becomes big and is absent, there will be many complications, many problems which devotees society face. Prabhupada says many reasons. And devotee thinks by meeting and together and discussing, they will solve. But Prabhupada did not say that. Prabhupada says something different. Prabhupada says, meeting means resolution. Then resolution means, later on, I may not be right in order or saying, resolution means no solution. And then revolution. Better you have faith in the words of Krishna. Krishna is in his name. So you chant Maha Mantra very nicely with love and devotion. All together you will find very easy to live life. No problem. No problem. Only Krishna consciousness. Do you believe? Yes?